Good evening, friends. Today we will be looking at formal language and computation, and in this we will be looking at the topic of non-deterministic finite automata. What is NFA? NFA stands for non-deterministic finite automata. It is easy to construct an NFA than DFA for a given regular language. The finite automata are called NFA when there exist many paths for specific input from the current state to the next state. Every NFA is not DFA, but each NFA can be translated into DFA. NFA is defined in the same way as DFA, but with the following two exceptions. It contains multiple next stages and contains a sigma transition. NFA also has 5 states, same as DFA, but with different transition function as shown follow. Q stands for finite set of state, sigma is finite set of input symbol, Q0 is initial state, F is the final state, and delta is a transition function. An NFA can be represented by diagrams called state diagrams, in which the state is represented by vertices. The arc labeled with an input character shows the transition. The initial state is marked with an arrow, the final state indicated by a double circle. For example, let's consider an example. Construct an NFA for the string that ends with 0 character. The first and current state is start and it moves to second state, that is end state, if the character changes to 0. Now let's draw a transition diagram. Here S0 is the starting state and S1 is the ending state. Hence we have drawn our transition diagram. Next we need to draw the transition table and it is down below. Now let's move to a simulation there and we can see in detail.
Here, the start state is the initial state. Now we are going to add a new state S. Here we have a problem statement that ends with the string that ends with 0. So we are going to connect here S0, and if the input is 0, it will end. So I go to here, give 0 and save. So this S0 is the final state. So I am going to make it as final. Okay, the previous states, let's think about the previous state. It can be either 0 or either 1. So I am going to self loop here and set it as 0. And again, I am going to self loop and set it as 1. Now our NFA is ready. Let's test it. 110. I give 110 string. It's accepted. I give 111. It's rejected because our strings is not ends with 0. Let's do bulk testing. First I give 1, next 10, 11, 100, 1. Here rejection state, I give 0, 1, 10, 11, 110. This here first one is not accepted, so it's fail. Second one is accepted, third one is not accepted, and fourth is not accepted. Here in rejection, first one is rejected, so it gives pass. Second one is accepted, so it gives fail. Third one is rejected, so it gives pass. Fourth one is accepted, it gives fail. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. That's all for today.